Today, I'll show you how to generate these AI trending images for free without spending any money. It's like a cool magic trick, and I'll teach you the secrets to create really fun and exciting images for free. Open your web browser, go to styler.ai and hit enter. Click on Sign Up for Free. After creating an account, you can see different image styles on the homepage, but in this video, we will use our own. Click on New Project and then select Text to Image. Now, choose Realistic Mode. In the prompt bar, you can type anything, but I am using the prompt, Elon Musk taking selfies with his people. Finally, click on the Stylerize button. In just a few seconds, it will generate awesome images. Let's try some more prompts. In the next part, I will guide you on how to save these images on your mobile or PC. Great! Now that your images have been generated successfully, you can select your favorite images. You can save up to 8 images at a time. Now click on Place on Canvas. Before exporting images to styler.ai, you can receive 200 credits for 7 days. After the initial 7 days, they will provide you with another 200 credits for a limited time. Now click on the Export button. Choose between PNG or JPG, then select the image size. After that, check the Export All Layers option. Finally, click on the Export button, and it will provide you with a zip file containing your images. Here are some images that I generated using styler.ai. Thank you for exploring image generation with styler.ai. If you enjoyed the process and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates. Your support means a lot.